Hi guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. Well, clearly, I've had a scrape already. I just didn't layer my colors correctly. I have golden turquoise, golden fluid turquoise. This is Modern Masters this is pewter. This is a combination of Lumiere, Halo Blue Gold, and I mixed some teal in it and some other colors I can't remember. This is Azurite Blue, that's from Golden. Golden Permanent Violet Dark. TLP. This is Pinwheel with a little bit of constellation in it. We have Modern Masters, Iridescent Pearl White with a little bit of titanium white. This is Golden Iridescent Bright Gold, but it was too bright, so I put some pale gold in it from Modern Masters. And we have some black, and that is from Amsterdam. It's oxide black. Okay, so let me try this again. I just did it, and I'm like, no, not liking the composition, not liking the way the colors are reacting. So here we go again. Off each side, back to the center, off the side, back to the center, and the last side. Go all the way off. Need to get enough paint off. And bring it back to the center. And then down. I'm gonna have some nice drips out of this. Yeah, it's definitely, you want to make sure you get enough paint off. Very important to get pearls. And all the way back to the other side. This is the old recipe, the 2019. Coming off now, it's still dripping. I have my hands-off handles on. Handy dandy. They do make tilting easy. And now we want to bring it back to the center again. Even coat. Beautifully even coat, actually. Okay. Here we go. So, I don't know how I layered them before. It just wasn't quite right. You know what? Just gonna try to be careful. There we go. I'm going to put down this. It's really pretty. Maybe I should go. Turquoise. Try this time. Putting it in the center. It's a TLP. Just all around it. There. And there. way first. And back. Oh, that's much better. I love the black over that TLP. It's just spectacular. It does some wild things. So we have a lot of, wow, look at that in the corner. I wish I had that all over. See, now I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to try and pour this again, just because I like that corner, because I think I have another corner over here. Yeah, we're gonna have to stop pretty soon. We're getting some pearls. Got a really interesting design going on right now. Yeah, who knew? Still got lots of paint on here. All right, I am going to flip it back the other way and stop. All right, yeah, I like that there. I like that there too. So now I'm going to put you on time lapse. Hey guys, so this looks like a geode to me, and I wasn't going to touch it at all, but some of the paint was splitting, and it was in the pinwheel. I used 8300 instead of 7300 in my recipe, and I may have used too much and not enough, but it split. And I really like what it did here though. It's like so cool. Thing is, I am going to go in after this is dry with some pinwheel and fix this up, because the pinwheel is kind of transparent, so it will probably take to this very well. But other than that, I really liked it. This part especially. Oh, look at that. Right there. So, I don't know if this is considered a fail or not. I guess it is. It's a fail to be fixed in the very near future. So, it's not exactly a perfect pinwheel pearl pour, but we'll try again. Hey guys, so this is the finished product. Kind of happy with it. That pinwheel is to die for, and that blue halo gold too. So it was fun. I couldn't stop. Once I got started, I just couldn't stop. But I'm really happy with the outcome. And it does look like a geode to me, so anyhow. So if you have a painting that's not quite right, you can always fix it. And I might still go in after this and mess with it some more. It took over. I don't know, I just became possessed. Anyhow, please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. And ciao for now.